Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a really good day. So today we're going to be looking at one of my personal favourite crystals, and that is Green Aventurine. I think that's how you say it, and I love the fact that it rhymes. But today we're going to look into its formation, its history, how to work with it, its properties, and how it is associated with the chakras. This is a really interesting video and I hope you guys enjoy it. So please sit back, relax, and let's begin. So first we're going to start off with how it is formed. So it was formed millions of years ago, and it was formed as molten minerals were cooled and solidified. So microscopic pieces of mica or mica, which are silicate minerals that can be split down really easily into tiny thin plates, were basically embedded within quartz crystals, and this then created Green Aventurine. So the interplay of sunlight and mica creates its signature sparkles, which is just so lush and green and a really beautiful colour. Green Aventurine's history and lore is rich and varied. Over time, cultures across the globe have woven lots of different tales of prosperity and opportunity around this gemstone. In ancient Rome, for example, Green Aventurine was believed to bring luck and abundance to those who possessed it. It was often used in amulets, jewellery, and even carved into talismans as well, which kind of reflects its reputation as a symbol of good fortune and positive outcomes. In Chinese culture, it holds a really special place in Feng Shui practices. It's known as the stone of opportunity and is believed to attract wealth and success and also favourable energies. Placing Green Aventurine in the wealth corner of your home is thought to enhance prosperity. Green Aventurine is also known for its holistic properties. Its nurturing energy is said to promote emotional healing, heart-centered growth, and a really deep connection with the earth. This captivating gemstone resonates with the heart chakra, infusing our lives with harmony, healing, and positive transformation. Green Aventurine's energy is deeply entwined with the heart chakra, which is the center of love, compassion, and emotional balance. When you engage with this crystal, you're inviting its gentle energy to activate and align with your heart chakra, which basically fosters a deeper connection with yourself and with those around you. Green Aventurine is like a gentle mentor, guiding you back towards a greater sense of compassion and empathy. Its energy encourages you to see the world through eyes of kindness and understanding. This then helps you forge deeper relationships and connections with people that are built on love and mutual support and a really kind of just positive energy. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, finding moments of calm can be really challenging, and that's where the soothing energy of Green Aventurine comes into play. A great way to use this crystal is during meditation or relaxation. Just holding the crystal and feeling its gentle vibrations are thought to kind of ease tensions in the body and mind and just promote an overall sense of well-being. It's also often associated with the manifestation of prosperity and abundance. So by incorporating Green Aventurine into your intention setting practices, you're aligning yourself with this energy of growth and opportunity. Now we've explored the aspects of how it is formed and Green Aventurine's history and healing properties. Let's look at how to actually work with this crystal. One of the simplest ways to connect with Green Aventurine is to wear this crystal as jewellery. Whether you choose a pendant, a necklace, bracelet, or earrings, having this crystal close to your skin ensures a kind of continuous presence of its positive energy, and the energy will just flow throughout your day. Wearing a Green Aventurine pendant over your heart chakra is a really good way of ensuring its energy is aligned with your emotional well-being. The crystal's vibrations can create a sense of comfort, healing, and self-love that resonates with your heart. A lovely idea is perhaps creating a Green Aventurine bracelet and infusing it with intentions of prosperity and abundance. Like each bead could basically serve as a reminder of your goals, and you're kind of inviting this crystal's energy into your daily manifestations. You can also buy crystal water bottles that have safe to use crystals already kind of embedded in the base of the water bottle. When you fill the bottle with water, it basically becomes infused with the crystal's energy. Meditation is another great way to work with this crystal and to kind of gain a deeper connection with it. By incorporating Green Aventurine into your meditation practice by either holding it in your hand or placing it over your heart chakra, it lets its soothing vibrations kind of guide you into a space of calm when you are meditating. So when you are meditating, I would visualize this crystal's energy kind of flowing over you in kind of like a green soft light, and just allowing yourself to feel calm, love and compassionate energy just kind of emanating from the crystal. Green Aventurine can also be a star player in your crystal grid or feng shui practices if that's something you enjoy. So combining it with other crystals can help to amplify its effects and create more of a harmonious and balanced energy throughout your home. So you could design a prosperity crystal grid, for example, using Green Aventurine as the centerpiece, and then surround it with crystals like citrine and pyrite to magnify its energy of abundance and money magic as well. Place the grid in a prominent spot in your home or your office to invite in prosperity and positive opportunities. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I personally love this crystal. I think it is beautiful and I do work with it pretty much on a daily basis. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more crystal-based content coming every Wednesday and Saturday. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day and blessed be.